Clairvoyant Spirit Fairy. You can find my books and more information at www.fortheraceconsciousnessofthenew-era.com. Also find links to recommended videos in the descript box below. This video is intended for the raised consciousness of the new era. There has been much talk about this blood sacrifice ritual. I decided to research and experiment using my own blood. Here are the results of what I found. Main points of this video. 1. How blood uses magnetism and physics. 2. Directions on how to use the ritual. 3. Purpose of using blood for making an intention. 4. Blood sorcery. 5. Blood over intent, results, and the facts. 6. Why is the intention written? I had a couple of questions on my quest for the truth regarding this subject. Is this blood sorcery? Is this a dangerous practice? Is it necessary to use my blood for prayers to be answered? Does it work? We are using magnetism all the time during our daily lives. Why not use magnetism and physics to contact our Creator? We have never been taught to use the blood as a tool of communication. Maybe it's time we start. This ritual uses your own precious sacred elixir, which is the blood, and your fingerprint, which is a different and specific stamp for each individual. But does it work? Well, let's take a look at that. The entire body is an energetic magnet. Tesla told us this long ago. And each one of us has enough iron within our bodies to form a large nail. There is evidence that early alchemists and philosophers believed that blood inside the body was round and smooth, and this allowed it to move freely within the vessel. Anything outside of the vessel containing iron must be rugged and rough to allow magnetism. The blood over intent ritual is a powerful form of magnetism. And our sacred elixir, which is the blood, is also magnetic because it contains iron. Also, offering our blood during a prayer is more powerful because we write the prayer with our blood, we combine the power of the spoken word, and then we seal it with our unique fingerprint. Stop wasting your precious elixir and start using your blood on purpose for blessings. Using the power within you cannot be negative. It is yours to use, given to you for a reason. Blood sorcery, or any word connected to sorcery, comes with a negative connotation. Some believe sorcery is evil. However, blood over intent is positive because it brings the desired results. Sorcery is called evil because some have misused it for harm, and also so that the governing body can fool the masses into not using their God-given rightful powers within. This is a blood blessing, and using the power within you is necessary to win this time. Literally, the elixirs of life within you will bless you. Directions on how to use blood over intent ritual. This information includes directions for the use of your God-given spiritual elixir. Every day, burn the previous intention and start a new one. Write your prayer filled with your intention of what you know will happen. Stop believing and start knowing. Speak it out loud for all of your witnesses, both physical and spiritual, to hear. Then drop some of your blood on the prayer and imprint your fingerprint inside the blood as a seal. Your fingerprint is the signature. However, you can still sign your intent with the name of your favorite savior, such as Archangel Michael. So why put it in writing? Putting the intent in writing makes the outcome within it your full responsibility. Sealing the intent with a fingerprint tells the witnesses, both physical and spiritual, to make it so. Your fingerprint serves as your signature. However, if you like, you can sign in the name of any powerful energy, such as Archangel Michael. This works. I don't see how anyone can be a debunker. I mean, have they really tried it? I'm trying to leave a legacy for my spiritual guidance and make them proud.
I, for one, am done with being anything other than my true divine self. I want to be the best divine self that I could possibly be. And my blood is part of the elixir flowing through this body that the divine creator gave me. I refuse to take the creator's energy and waste it.
Because if you try this ritual, it takes effect immediately. You see immediate results. I intend to deliver my prayer this way for life. I also daily chant and decree, not as an alternative, as an addition. Blood over intent results in facts. This ritual and following the steps explained above helped me for my blood over intent results. 1. Your purpose in life will reveal itself. 2. You will change your path. 3. Truths will appear. 4. You will immediately become more confident. 5. You will immediately stop caring about what people think. 6. Those that control you will lose control. 7. You will start receiving what you want. Purpose of using blood over intent. Well, the most obvious reason would be because it works. For those that diligently and sincerely use the ritual, that is. Even if you're not diligent and sincere, I do believe that you will feel different in some kind of way. Also, the blood ritual is not about religion. We have throughout time heard religion screaming from the rooftops that the power is in the blood. There is also an old spiritual song titled, "The Power is in the Blood."
You have heard the Christians screaming it from the rooftops, that the power is in the blood.
Oh my goodness, my grandmother sung that almost every day. Blood over intent is a form of magic. Everything is a form of magic. The very fact that we can see is magical. Every word we speak is a prayer. There has to be a way to communicate with the one, the highest, omnipotent God. And our Creator has given us many opportunities that are easy and within reach. So-called magic is used to give power or a gain. Stop giving your power away by accepting doctrines that are not within you, within your vessel, given to you by your Creator. Use the power within you to take back your God-given rights. Here's my conclusion. My quest for the truth regarding this subject leaves me knowing that this ritual is positive and a daily helper. Is this blood sorcery? No. This blood over intent is a blessing using the power from within. Is this a dangerous practice? No. You will probably hurt yourself before you hurt anyone else with negative intent. Is it necessary to use my blood for prayers to be answered? Well, it's not necessary to use my blood. However, when using the sacred elixir of blood, the prayer is more intense and energized. Does it work? Yes. It worked for me immediately upon the first time. Here is an example. I had never gone on YouTube without makeup to make a live video. Additionally, I had never talked to anyone on air about my childhood abuse. Additionally, I do not usually tell people that they are acting like a fool. However, after my first blood over intent ritual, I did just that. The video is still on YouTube, but hopefully you cannot find it. I unoptimized it so people can find this video instead. There's not that many people looking for blood over intent videos, but for those who are, I hope they find this one and that it is a blessing.
If you have any questions about this video, put them in the comments below. And make sure to stick around to the end of the video where I have a tip for you.
My prayer will be written, recited, and then sealed with the heavenly elixir of my own blood.
I love you all. Be blessed at all times. Peace. I found out about using the elixir of my own blood from the Flat Earth Loyalty, so here's the tip. Post your intent to the Ethernet. You will give it more power when posting your intent. Title it Blood Over Intent. Tip number 2, a lancet can be used for the drop of blood. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe. Remember to stay tuned to Psychic Spirit Fairy for more meditation, information, and inspiration.